Hi friends, we are going to discuss about MCQ for TYBCom. We are going to focus on cooperative society, ratio analysis and single entry system. So let's start for MCQ and their option. First question is miscellaneous expenses given in trial balance post 2. Question listen carefully. Miscellaneous expenses given in trial balance post 2 and the options are profit and loss account debit side, miscellaneous expenses of asset side, other items of asset side and current liability of liability side. These four options given. I am reading options once again. Profit and loss account debit side, miscellaneous expenses of asset side, other items of asset side and current liability of asset side. The correct option is profit and loss account debit side. If miscellaneous expenses given in trial balance, we must post to it to profit and loss account debit side, not to miscellaneous expenses heading on asset side. Miscellaneous expenses given in trial balance, post to correct option is profit and loss account debit side. Next question. There is no need to trading account in credit cooperative society. Listen again. There is no need of trading account in credit cooperative society. True or false? Yes, it is true. Because there is no sale or purchase of goods, hence there is no required to open or prepare trading account. Next question, third one. There is no need of profit and loss account in consumer cooperative society. Question listen again. There is no need of profit and loss account in consumer cooperative society. True or false? Yes, it is false. Because every businessman required to search or find out his profit or loss, and a businessman can't find out his profit or loss without preparing profit and loss account. Hence, profit and loss account is essential for every businessman. So, there is no need of profit and loss account in consumer cooperative society. This statement is false. Next one, fourth number. Contribution to staff provident fund post 2. Contribution to staff provident fund post 2 and options are reserve fund and other fund, staff provident fund, investment in staff provident fund and profit and loss account debit side. Where the post contribution to staff provident fund, it is post to profit and loss account debit side because it is contribution, not a staff provident fund or not an investment of staff provident fund. It is a contribution to staff provident fund, hence it is our expenses and post to profit and loss account debit side. Next one. Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act force in. Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act force in 1951, 1960, 1961 and 1949. Which option is correct? When Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act force in? The correct answer is 1960. Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act force in 1960. Next one question. Maharashtra Cooperative Society's rules are in, and options are 1949, 1960, 1961 and 1971. Which option is correct option? Yes, 1961. Basic difference of both questions is act and rules. If there is act of cooperative society, the option is 1960, and if there is rules of cooperative society, the correct option is 1961. Rules 1961, act 1960. Remember it. Next question. TDS is a short form of. TDS is short form है. किसका short form है? TDS is a short form of. Options are tax department of source, tax deposit on sales, tax deducted at source. Option listen again. Tax department of source, tax deposit on sale and tax deducted at source. The correct option is tax deducted at source. TDS का लॉन्ग फॉर्म है टैक्स डिडक्टेड एट सोर्स. नेक्स्ट वन. TDS is the policy of collecting tax of. TDS is the policy of collecting tax. The options are sales tax, service tax, GST and income tax. Correct option is income tax. TDS is the policy to collect income tax. Income tax is the correct answer. What is the SENVAT? SENVAT क्या होता है? Options are Central Value Added Tax. Second option, Modified Value Added Tax. Third option, collecting of VAT. And fourth option, calculation of enterprise VAT. I repeat all the options. First one, Central Value Added Tax. Second one, Modified Value Added Tax. Third one, collecting of VAT. And fourth one, calculation of enterprise VAT. And the correct option is SENVAT value added tax. Central value added tax. Sorry, Central Value Added Tax is the correct option of SENVAT. Next one. Commission payable to branch manager is always debited to branch account. I repeat the question. Commission payable to branch manager is always debited to branch account. True or false? This statement is true. If there is branch manager commission paid or payable, whatever may be, it is posted to branch account debit side or debited to branch account. Next one. Branch account is prepared to ascertain. Branch account is prepared to ascertain. Options are net profit, gross profit, net expenses and net loss. I repeat the options. Net profit, gross profit, net expenses and net loss. Which is the correct option? Yes, gross profit. Gross profit ascertained by branch adjustment account. Next question. After receiving the goods by branch, Which account is debited in the books of head office? अगर ब्रांच को गुड्स सेंड किया हुआ है, ब्रांच को गुड्स मिला हेड ऑफिस से, एट दैट टाइम इन द बुक्स ऑफ हेड ऑफिस which account is debited? Options are goods sent to branch account, second option stock reserve account, and third option branch debtors account. The correct option is goods sent to branch account. If goods sent to branch, head office debited to goods sent to branch account. Next one, under pure single entry system, only dash accounts are kept. Options are personal account, impersonal account, real account, all the above. प्योर सिंगल एंट्री सिस्टम में कौन सा अकाउंट बनाया जाता है? In the pure single entry system, there is only one accounts are prepared, and that is personal account. Next one question. It is difficult to conduct the audit of single entry record. It is difficult to conduct the audit of single entry record. सिंगल एंट्री अगर रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है तो ऑडिट करना मुश्किल होता है. ट्रू और फॉल्स? यस, इट इज ट्रू, बिकॉज so many transactions there is no record, hence we can't provide proper data to audit. Next, single entry system is a mixture of options are double entry system and single entry, double entry and single entry, single entry and no entry, all the above. And the correct option is all the above, because single entry system is a mixture of double entry, single entry and no entry. All the option is there. Next one, in single entry system there is difficult to detect frauds. I repeat the question. In single entry system there is difficult to detect the frauds. True or false? True. This statement is true. Single entry system is a dash. Single entry system is a dash. Options are incomplete record, complete record, scientific record, and correct option is incomplete record. Single entry system is incomplete record. In a single entry system, discount allowed is credited to dash account. In single entry system, discount allowed is credited to dash account. Options are debtors account, bills receivable account, creditors account, and profit and loss account. Which option is correct? Debtors account. If there is discount allowed, it is credited to debtors account, branch debtors account. Sorry, debtors account. In single entry system, credit purchase comes from dash account. In single entry system, credit purchase are comes from dash account. Options are debtors account, creditors account, bills payable account and trading account. सिंगल एंट्री सिस्टम में क्रेडिट परचेस हमें कौन से अकाउंट में से मिलते हैं, कौन सा अकाउंट क्लोज करने के बाद हमें क्रेडिट परचेस मिलते हैं? ऑप्शन है डेटर्स अकाउंट, क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट, बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट एंड ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट. जब हम क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट क्लोज करते हैं तब जाके हमें क्रेडिट परचेस मिलते हैं. If bills receivable dishonored, it is debited to. अगर बिल रिसीवेबल डिसऑनर्ड होते हैं तो कौन से अकाउंट को डेबिट दिया जाता है? डेटर्स अकाउंट, क्रेडिटर्स अकाउंट, बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट, बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डेटर्स अकाउंट. अगर बिल रिसीवेबल डिसऑनर्ड होता है तो वो return to debtors, hence debtors account is debited. Thank you so much.